Hey coders, are you ready to take your medical coding journey to the next level? At AMCI, we've designed our A-La-Carte courses to fit you no matter where you are in your learning. If you're brand new to coding, start with Part 1. This is your introduction, step by step, with a strong focus on CPT and the foundation you'll need to become a successful coder. If you already know the basics of ICD-10-CM and understand the general guidelines, jump into Part 2. Here you'll dive deeper into advanced ICD-10-CM. And if you're an advanced coding student, move straight into Part 3. This is a true advanced CPT course. Here, there's no review of the basics. This level assumes you already have a strong foundation in CPT guidelines. And once you've completed Parts 1 through 3, it's time for the next step. Move on to Part 4, exam prep. That's where we sharpen your test-taking skills and get you ready to earn your certification. So what makes our A-La-Carte courses different from the free course? 3 key things. Number 1, you'll learn in a structured learning management system, keeping you on track and focused. Number 2, integrated exams are built right into your course, so you can measure your progress as you go. Number 3, you'll get private lectures, exclusive to A-La-Carte students, alongside any pertinent YouTube content. At AMCI, our courses don't just teach you. We manage your learning to maximize your success. Whether you're just starting out, building on the basics, or mastering advanced coding, the A-La-Carte courses are your direct path to becoming a world-class coder. So choose your level, step into your course, and code the AMCI way.
We're on the East Coast, the West Coast, we're all around.